Hello travelers, Christy here with Motorhomes of Texas. I'm excited to show you this beautiful 2013 Tiffin Phaeton that we have on the lot. At 40 feet long and 4 slides and priced at $115,500, this coach is ready to get out on the road. This coach is really beautiful with what I would call this camel colored leather. Really strikes you when you come in and you can see the quality. This is the original leather when this coach was constructed back in 2013. The beautiful embroidery on the front of both the driver and passenger seat, definitely captivating. And I think it's one of the things that the proof is in the pudding, so to speak. Tiffin made sure that they used all of the square footage inside to have a lot of storage space, and then installed this beautiful leather sleeper sofa that we have here. So if you have individuals that may join you out on the road, they will have sleeping space for any of those friends and family. I love the beautiful tile floor that we have. It really does present a light feature because we are dealing with a medium colored wood grain finish. Tiffin outfitted this coach with this nice bench seating. There is plenty of room to get in and out, and sometimes that can be hard when you're in, but I really like how expansive it feels when I'm sitting here enjoying dinner, all the things. I have, and will reiterate again, Tiffin used every amount of space and included storage. This is deep storage. Blankets, maybe there's larger pots that you want to carry with you. You have that ability to do so in this coach. As you can see from this stove over here, this coach contains propane. So while most coaches that you may see are all electric, I do like it if you are one of those individuals who likes cooking on a gas stove. It just adds a different quality and texture to this coach. I love all the nice residential size appliances that we have. They really took the time to work in the crown molding and nice details and finishes. As you pass through, this coach only has one bathroom, so it is in the midsection of this coach. It allows you to access your lavatory when you are in transit and all of the rooms are in. You're still not having to crawl over the bed. As you transition into the master suite, you will find an additional TV, deep, large storage drawers, and a beautiful king-size bed that really has a lot of space on either side. Some people worry about having to get in and make the bed, but you can see I'm able to get in here, do what I need to do if I'm making the bed. In the rear of the coach, you will find a nice walk-in closet. Has a lot of storage, and then next to it is your stackable washer and dryer. For being a 2013 model, I think you can see and tell that this coach still has a lot of life left in it. One of the things that I also like is sometimes we can maybe get a little scared of some of the systems that newer coaches have. With lots of push buttons, all the things. The simplicity of this coach would work really well for our first-time coach owners. With simplicity in mind, with quality of construction, with a wonderful and impeccable attention to detail. This 2013 Tiffin Phaeton is ready to get out on the road to make your RV dreams come true. So check us out at Motorhomes of Texas, where we believe that service is not just a passion, it's an obsession.